Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry that it has been a minute, but sometimes life happens and things get in the way and you don't plan for them, so you just have to roll with it. So I apologize. But I did miss you. I did. And yeah, so today we are going to go ahead with our Boxycharm February 2018 unboxing. Yeah, so I got this about a week ago and I tried not to play with anything so that I can unbox it for you, and that was a success. I did open everything to take a picture on Instagram, but that was it. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, go ahead and keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And if you like this video at the end, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you like me, just give it a thumbs up right now. I mean, I'm just saying. But yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, I know I look a little crazy right now. My eyebrows, everything just looks half done. But I wanted to demonstrate this box for you guys, so I figure I'd open it with you and do it for the first time. So when you first open it up, you have the cards. This top one is actually a 20% off for a Cover FX purchase from, I think, just their website. Yeah, just their website. And then this month's Boxycharm is, the theme is Galaxy Glow. I feel like I haven't done this in forever, so if I stumble, I'm sorry. So yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to put on is this. This is the Pure X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. That's what it says. This is actually a lip scrub, and this is full size and it retails for $17. So let's try this out. It smells like coconut. Oh, it's scratchy. Like there's a lot of sugar. Oh, that's a lot. It tastes really sweet. So then the next thing that I see is this. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this is in the shade, I don't know, so let's find out together. Oh, this is pretty. Amethyst. So this is in the shade Amethyst, and this says that it's a multi-use shimmering cream colors. Shimmery cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types, and this retails for $28. So I'm actually going to take this and try to find a brush, because I don't think I have any brushes in here. So it has a doe foot applicator, and it's a duochrome, so I'm just going to put this on my eyelid. I already have the Tarteist in Bloom palette on my eyelid. I have the shade Sweetheart in my crease, which is a light mauve pink. Do that. I'm going to try to blend it out with a brush. I don't like touching things with my fingers. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Oh, you get a lot better if you just push it in. And then I'm going to let that dry. Because sometimes when it says it's not crease proof, or sometimes when it says it's crease proof, you have to let it fully dry before you start to like blink and stuff. That's really pretty. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques Ultimate Crease Brush, or whatever this is called, and just add a little more of Sweetheart, excuse me. That's really pretty. I like that. And did I say what that retails for? This retails for $28. So next is this Crown Brush three-piece Pro Brush Trio. And this retails for $30. The small one is used to conceal. The medium-sized one is used to sculpt cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And the large brush can be used to set everything in place. So I'm going to actually go ahead and apply my concealer just with the applicator. I don't ordinarily like using a brush. So I'm going to use the applicator and I'm going to see if I can use that brush to kind of... Oh gosh. Oh, I don't like... I think I would use that for a... I think I would use that more for a eyeshadow brush. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take the big one and set, because I haven't set my face. Oh, that's a really big one. I don't think I have any brushes like this that are... Oh, that's really big and soft. So I have some banana powder over here. Use that to set my under eye. Oh, they smell weird. They smell like nail polish remover. I'm just going to take that banana powder and dust that all over my face to set it. I feel like these brushes are just picking everything up and dispersing them as they please. So the next thing that we got in the version of the Boxycharm that I got was this Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil. It looks like it's just a kohl pencil in jet black. So let's see. I haven't used one of these in a really, really long time, so I don't even know. So let's see. I'm going to try to put it in my inner. It's very attractive, huh? Oh no. I got some on my lid. It's very pigmented and it's very soft. Ugh. I just hate touching the inside of my eyeball. Well, not my eyeball, but the inside of my eyelid. I could literally do 100 other things. Like I can tug on my eyelashes, pull my eyelashes off, and it'd be fine. But if I have to touch them, oh my god. It is very black and very soft. Okay, let's leave those alone. So that's good. Oh, this, I'm like all over the place. So this retails for $21. Holy crap, that is a lot for just like a kohl sharpenable pencil. Since I'm not using eyelashes, I'm just gonna throw some mascara on. So the next thing that we got that I thought was really cool, because I don't have one of these, and I think sometimes they're referred to as Z palettes, but because this one is from Ofra, it's referred to as a pop-up palette mini. So It's this little guy. You open it up and you can, this is magnetic, and you could stick single eyeshadow pans or blush pans to it. So they sent this that retails for $19, and then they sent this blush Godet refill. I'm gonna say Godet. It's G-O-D-E-T. I'm terrible at pronouncing things. We have all probably, we've established this by now, essentially. So this is what it looks like when you take it out, and it's a really pretty kind of almost plum. The camera's almost washing it out. Not really plum, like a shimmery mauve color. So that's what it looks like. There we go. I'm going to use this blush with a Crown blush brush that I received a few months ago. Oh wow, that's pretty. I love this. This is actually so cute, and I don't have any other single shadows or anything, but I feel like I should get more, especially I should get Ofra and just like pack this with a bunch of Ofra products, because that's like really, really cute. I don't know. Thanks not thank you Boxycharm, but thanks Boxycharm for putting that in there. This last brush I haven't used yet. It was supposed to be for contour and I completely forgot. So I'm going to go into my favorite Tarte's Pro palette. As you can see, I've already hit pan on that. Oh, I don't know if I would like this as a contour. Oh. Okay, so let's see what goes on here. I don't feel like it blends it out as well as I would like it to. I don't know, I feel like it looks patchy. It definitely looks patchy because of the foundation. I don't know what's going on. I think maybe that's dry skin that my foundation is clinging to, but I don't know if I would like this for. Yeah, I don't think so. It just made that look even patchier too. I did want to use the Cover FX because it says you could use it anywhere on your face. I did want to put on a lipstick. I'm going to put, yeah, that would look like it'd be good underneath. So I'm going to take Back Talk from Urban Decay. I wiped off the lip scrub. My lips actually feel super soft, so that lip scrub is going to come in handy. Okay, so now I'm going to take Amethyst, the Cover FX drops, and I'm just going to go right over that. Oh wow. Holy moly. Wow. Ugh. I don't like it. Not as a topper there. Let's see what it does for highlight. Oh, no bueno. I definitely don't like this so much. I'll put a gloss over it. It's so bright. I'm not used to anything that bright. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. All in all, I really enjoyed everything in this month's Boxycharm. I don't think there was like something that really stuck out that was like, oh, I just hate it. This I think only works as a lid shade. I don't really think I like it as a lip shade or a, I don't know, wannabe highlight kind of thing. Even though it says you can use it, you can use it all over your face. And this initially tasted weird, but it made my lips feel so soft that I really don't mind it, and it's the taste I can get used to. It just threw me off, the fact that it had a taste. It smelled like coconut,
and I can't say that it tasted like coconut. It just, I don't know, something about it threw me off, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. I don't know. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget, if you are not already, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.